Hey, we're friends, huh?
Man, get the hell up out of here.
Just有人。
Нет.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. If I can take you outside. She's scared.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
Nada, why are you standing like that? You're so tall.
Interesting technique.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Hey, watch I make it. Watch I make it. 1, 2, ha!
This is Coco. Coco, say hi, everyone.
These traces of civilization are a good sign. This could be the way out of here.
My Lord, a snapping turlock.
Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
There you go.
She's so stoked right now.
Hey, Lily, do the slinky. Come on. Come here.
Musisz spalić тебе что-нибудь, мама.
Diam. Diam. Patung ini.
Another twist of fate? How many twists of fate do you think you're allowed in your life, Matt? Your name is Lorena.
You got caught in 4K. Get the goddamn toilet for I'll book your.
Walk if you want. You don't see him yet. And then you do.
Ze heeft hetzelfde.
Hey, Magnus. Maybe Molly doesn't like you sitting on her like that?
It's not gonna work.
นี่นะครับ เด็กดื้อทำจานแตกกูเฟอร์เมื่อกี้ทำอะไร
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He's funny as hell though, but if he know you type shit.
Would you stop it? Wait, you wait. There's no food. What are you?
Now you can't say nothing.
Move it. Yeah, hello.
$157 million degrees. There's no way you want hot laundry.
Ridiculous.
Why are you looking at me like that? You need to hold it? Not yourself. You look so mad, bro. There you go.
Beverage. Don't do it. Tortoise! No, no. Don't listen to the voices. Resist. Tortoise, don't you do it. No, you little...